Hey friends, if you wish to fix Klif.sys blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to uninstall Kaspersky antivirus or any antivirus for that matter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps. Okay, now let's say that this is an antivirus. I don't use antivirus software products on my system, but you need to remove it. So you simply need to uninstall the antivirus like this. The next one is to perform a disk cleanup on your system, because even if you uninstall the antivirus, it is not necessary that the cliff.sys file will be removed. So here's what you have to do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Click on OK. Select delete files. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery and open recovery. Open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next, finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.